ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi kunabantu abadala so ngayedwa ukuthi mhlawumbe isilungu into understand 100%. Right, angenza kanjalo. My role is just to welcome all of you now. I think also it was quite encouraging to I'm just like to talk to your family and your family processing what my teaching. I know someone else said that it was such a huge Oh, okay. Responsibility yami la namhlanje ngizodiscussa izinto eziyi-4. Hopefully mawuphuma ke ngiyathemba ukuthi mawuphuma uzophuma wazi ukuthi ama-Muslim akhonza bani, alandela bani, i-Islam yini, and sithini ngabo-Jesu, peace be upon them, nabo-Moses, nabo-Abraham, nabo-Isaiah, nabo-Jacob. That would be the main message namhlanje. So I'm a Muslim. The question of I'm a Muslim. Akhonza bani? Because abantu la ekuqaleni uthola ukuthi akabanga ama Muslim akhonza being abathi umuntu God, uNkulunkulu of the moon. Abanye bacabanga ukuthi sikhonza inkomo njengamaHindu. Abanye bacabanga ukuthi sikhonza asikhonzi lo abamjwayele uNkulunkulu kanti ama Muslim akhonza bani? Ama Muslim akhonza umvelinqa lo odale konke emhlabeni. So ngesintu sithi umdali, abanye amaKristu athi uJehova, ama-Jews they call him Yahweh. If about Yahweh they call him Elohim. But ama-Muslim awakhonzi isithixo esithizeni sakuphi mhlawumbe Saudi Arabia or kuphi no. Sikhonza umdali wezinto zonke. That is the one we worship. I repeat, ama-Christians ambiza uJehova, ama-Jews ambiza Elohim or uYahweh. Esintwini simbiza ukuthi umvelinqa. And then nge-Arabic simbiza umdali. Ama-Kristu angama-Arab, if ungaya e-Saudi Arabia or Lebanon or Palestine, and then you come across ama-Kristu kulezo ndawo, mawetiza umdali, yes, Arabic or yes, Arab, they say umdali is Allah. So lekamelithi Allah alikazi ukuthi isithixo esithizeni sakuphi. No, akusisithixo. Masithi Allah, ama-Muslims akhonza Allah. Then lekamelithi Allah, more explain in terms of Christianity, ama-Christians, ama-Kristu athi Jehovah, ama-Jews athi Elohim. So hopefully, I hope any else ama-Muslim akhonza bani. As called isithixo esithizeni, no. Sikhonza lo odale konke. And then the question number 2, yini Islam? Islam, lekamelithi Islam, lekamele Arabic, elichaza ukuthi i-Islam inkolo yokuthobela ama-commandments wakamdali, ukuthobela imiyalelo kamdali. Islam ukuyipopotesa ilihamudile. Actually, Islam, mangiyiteka ngesilungu, it is submission to the Almighty. It's not inkolo ethizeni, abantu abathizeni nje kuphela, no. Lekamelithi Islam, it means ukuthobela imiyalelo kamdali. And then inkolo, igama lenkolo is Islam. Then abantu abalandeli Islam, they are called Muslims. So igama lenkolo, Islam. Then the one who practices the religion or follows Islam, lo muntu loyo, it is called a Muslim. So thina singama Muslim. So more ena deeper, a Muslim, umuntu it is a submitter to the will, it is a submitter to the Almighty. That is a Muslim. Question number 3. I'm a Muslim, alandela ba. The Muslims follow a prophet, Muhammad. Muhammad, peace be upon him, who is the prophet Abraham. Arithi njengoba sazi Abraham amadodana wakhe athumile uIsaac noIshmael. Kodwa i-firstborn yakamprofethi Abraham umprofethi Ishmael, and then the secondborn umprofethi Isaac. So lo Muhammad esimlandelayo uvela kusizukulwana sika Ishmael, kodwa yena ubaba omkhulu wakhe la avela khona Abraham. Bengicela ukubuza abantu abaningi bayalazi begama elithi Muhammad bayaqala ukuzwa namhlanje. Yalazi? Alright, ngicela mawulazi promise isandla sakho. Abantu abancane kakhulu. So kusho ukuthi ngiyabonga ngase isandla sakho. Kusho ukuthi abantu abaningi abamazi. Mawungatheka naseBhayibhelini, abaprofeti abaningi abavelayo after umprofeti Abraham bavela kuye ngamanye amagama bayisizukulwana sesizukulwana sakhe, naye lo simlandelayo ukusizukulwana sesizukulwana sika Abraham. And then ama-Muslims akholelwa ukuthini kahle kahle, the most important message, what do Muslims believe? Athini nge-paradise, athini nge-hellfire. Ngicela ukukhokhela i-verse in the Bible esiconnecta nalo kakhulu sama-Muslims. Zokhokhela uJohn chapter 17 verse 3 lapho athi